with the Asta. You can see this Asta. If you're a trader, you can actually understand that Asta has been down for like a while. And why was it down? Asta has been actually down for like a while. So what are we expecting from this Asta? We're expecting this Asta to hit over to 3.8 or 3 USDT. Okay, so follow me, let's look at it carefully. If you have been trading, actually you realize that this has been down for like a very long time now, and it fell down from a reasonable volume. Okay, it fell down from a reasonable volume. If you look at this Asta carefully, you realize that Asta would actually launch also at a reasonable price, and it took a very good movement to 2.4, which was a very good one. Look at here, to 2.4, which was actually a very good one, right? So ever since then, Asta has been ups and down. Okay, a lot of people made a rational profit from this, and we are still expecting to make something rational because a lot of us are still holding this particular coin. One of the most fascinating thing about this particular coin right now is that this particular coin have gained a strong market cap. Okay, and also has gained a 5x or even more. So gaining a 5x or 10x is an attention again. It's like they have placed a priority to the particular coin called an Asta. Any coin you see with a 10x or 5x or whatever x it is, it means the coin is a valuable coin and has been placed a priority by that particular exchange or any other exchange. Okay, and how can a coin gain a priority? It depends on the volume of the people that are actually holding this particular coin or trading that particular coin. All right, you can see it. This is Ansta. Let's look at it here. You can see that's what we just opened. Let's look at Ansta here. This is Ansta. Actually, though currently it's not doing well for now, but it's planning to do well in its own time. Okay, so all I'm going to do like right now is that I'm going to make a new investment on this particular coin called Ansta. All right, before that I'll quickly go there to buy. Looking at it, that I have invested all my cryptocurrency coin on a particular exchange, on a particular coin, sorry. So what I will just need to do like right now is to like fund my account with some new USDT so that I can actually buy this particular Ansta coin, because for now in my crypto wallet I do not have an idle coin. So what I just need to do is to quickly navigate myself to this P2P to fund my account before we can proceed. Okay, now I'm actually in P2P and I wish to like fund my account with some reasonable amount, then I can come back to continue my trade. Okay, I'll go to this person now in order for me to make a transaction with this particular person and gain my fund and gain my USDT for to open a new trade. All right, so without a waste of time, let me quickly do that. So actually my coin is just being released, so all I just need to do now is to quickly navigate myself to my assets. Now going to my asset, you can see this is what I just purchased and it is available here right now. So the next thing I'll just need to do is to transfer this particular asset into my spot trading account, which is a unified trading account. So clicking on this, I'll now come to this place to click on maximum in order for me to move the whole stuff into my unified trading account. So after moving the whole stuff successfully into my unified trading account, I'll just have to go back there in order for me to look for a way to trade this particular cryptocurrency coin called Asta. All right, so but before I will trade Asta with this my 33 USD plus my change here winning 34 USD, before I can trade this Asta, I'll first go to coin market cap to see what exactly is going on with this Asta before I can trade it with peace of mind. So I'm right here on coin market cap looking at Asta. This is actually the chart of Asta. This is what you are actually seeing here is the chart of Asta, and this is the current volume of Asta in the market, and it's currently having this particular negative. So all you just need to do is to look at this Asta carefully. What impresses me the most right now is the market cap. You can see the market cap is over 2 billion. The low for today is $1.71, and the high for today is 1 point this. You can look at this. Okay, this is the low for today, this is the high for today. Okay, now look at it carefully. The market cap is what really impressed me. We have over $2 billion market cap. What could this be? This means that this particular coin could explode, boom, in just soon time. So the right time for you to invest into Asta is now, because now is now. If you really want to make profit, some rational profit, some reasonable profit, then this is the right time for you to invest in this particular coin. All right, so let's go to its all-time high was 2.4. You can look at here. Its all-time high was 2.4. Its current supply also is 2.1 billion. That's a very rational one, a very reasonable one. Okay, it fully disputed is over 8.4 billion. This is to tell you that a lot of people are investing into this particular coin in order for them to what? To make a rational profit. Now let's go down there. Looking at the exchange that are currently running this Asta, they are very powerful decentralized exchange. We have the Binance, the Bybit, and also the Gate.io with other exchanges. Okay, the community sentiment is 73%. You can see bullish. All right, so investing in this particular coin, it won't be a loss by God's willing. We predict, but God has the best. Okay, so looking at this now, you can look at it carefully. A lot of people are actually talking about this particular Asta. Holding the line is the next leg up loading. Okay, you can see, looking at all of these people, you realize that yes, this particular coin is actually heading somewhere in its own time, and not just somewhere, but somewhere that could earn you a rational profit. But one thing you must know is that the more you invest in this particular coin, the more you will gain. Okay, the more you invest, the more actually you will gain. So what are you waiting for? Look at it carefully, make your own research personally, and see if investing in this particular coin will make something for you. But believe me, the last time we predicted about this particular coin, the worst happened, which is why it's still down. But now, by God's willing, we're going higher. All right, so this brings me to the end of this very class. If this is your first time coming across to this channel, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share the video. There's this my baby channel, my finance class. You can just search for my finance class. You can see, please come to subscribe on this particular channel. Okay, subscribe on this particular channel, because on this channel we're going to be dropping a lot of updates that will make you something beautiful. So search for this particular channel. You see this my particular picture, and you're going to subscribe on it so that we can keep moving. On that channel, I'll be dropping a lot of reasonable signal on the community, and you will be able to see it and also dive in and make a rational profit for yourself. So thank you so much. This brings me to the end. Drop your comment and I'll attend to you ASAP. See you in my next class. Bye.